In this video, I'll show you how to change your username on TikTok using the latest version of the app. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. Once the app opens, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. On your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Here, you will see the option labeled Username. Tap on it. Now, you can enter your new username. Keep in mind that TikTok allows you to change your username only once every 30 days. Also, your profile link will change after updating your username, and your old username will no longer work. Make sure the new username is unique and available. After entering your new username, tap on Save. If the username is available, it will be updated instantly and visible on your profile. That's how you can change your username on TikTok easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.